Let's get started. We are going to convert a PLR book to a HTML book. I have a PLR preventing acne, and this is my PLR ebook. Now we are going to convert it to an HTML ebook, and we need the help of the template. You'll find template, click. Okay, you can open index. Okay, instead of using the browser, we can use mobilizer. Fonts, open. Now your HTML ebook will look like this in your Android phone or Android tablet. So you need to insert your book name, all the chapter names and disclaimer, and your author name or copyright your book name, whatever it is. Click here. You need to insert all your text and AdSense code. Later on I'll show you. Next chapter, and previous chapter. If you click table of contents, it will go to the index page. So let's start editing each page. Now index, right click, open with, you can open it with any HTML editor. Personally I like Dreamweaver. You can download it for 1 month trial, or there are many free HTML editor available. You just download it and work with it. It's very easy. So this is our index. One is chapter name, okay, 1 to 10. Okay, in our PLR, the table of contents is there. The table of contents, the first one is introduction. So I can write introduction. Second, number 2, or look in the left side. So this is the code. You can write in the code. However, when you install Dreamweaver, if you can find the code, or if you just only see the code, not see the design view, click here, split. If you click split, you can see the design view and the code view on the left side. Okay, introduction. Okay, let's get started. I don't want to include in the chapter name. Why you really have acne. I can copy it, copy, and in the second chapter, and paste. Why you really have acne. And all natural acne remedies that work. Proven methods of treating acne. I'll just copy and paste. It's really simple, isn't it? The acne-free system. In conclusion, final words. Okay, and obviously you should put the disclaimer text. So I just save it. Now again check it. In the mobilizer. click index and drag and drop. So now your book looks like this. Now we need to edit all the pages. Number one is introduction. So click number one, right click, open with Dreamweaver. Introduction is here. So copy till this, copy, Control C, and you'll find insert your text here, insert your text here. Do not paste it in the design view, sometimes it causes a problem. The best is to paste it in the code view. Insert your text, select, delete and paste. Now if you just click on the right side, you will find the text just flowing like this. So for this reason, what you will do, just go into the bottom, you'll find break, this tag. Copy these two tags, BR, that means there's 2 line breaks, you'll understand. Paste, paste after every paragraph. So I'm just pasting all the breaks. Now can you see? It is nicely formatted. And the top, this is introduction. Let's make the second chapter. Why you really have acne? Okay, this is our second chapter. Copy, and this is 2.html. So this is the headline. Paste. Copy. Paste. Same like before, break. Copy these 2 tags. And I'm pasting after all the paragraphs. All right. And natural and herbal remedies, if you can make it bold, just select this part and click bold, B, so it becomes bold. Alright, so this is done, and the same way you've just complete all the 11 chapters. Our book is ready right now, our HTML book. Click index and drag and drop in Mobilizer. So advanced acne elimination, introduction. You'll find a nice formatted text over there, and click next chapter. It's going to next chapter and previous chapter and table of contents. Now if I want the acne free system or any chapter removing acne scars, click, it will go to removing acne scars. And on the bottom, share this app. I'll show you later on. Basically this is for Facebook. When we upload it in our Play Store, in our Android Play Store, we will find a link. Click, and we can share the app in our Facebook. So the users, they can share this app in the Facebook, so you can grow virally. When you're making your own HTML ebook, you may find one sort of problem. In this ebook there are only 10 chapters. Maybe in your ebook there are 11 or 12 chapters. So what we will do? Okay, maybe after 11 we want to make a demo chapter. So in 11, file, we can save as 12.html. And look, there's a difference between 1.html and 12.html. In 1.html, there's a next chapter, table of contents, share this app. There's no previous chapter because this is the first chapter. And go to 2.html, that is our second chapter. We can move to our next chapter and go to previous chapter as well. And in the last, we can go to only previous chapter, not next chapter. So right now at 11 there is previous chapter, table of contents, and share this app. In 12 we have the same. So go to 10, select the top where is the next chapter, select this whole line, copy, go to 11, and paste. You'll find next chapter. The next chapter, click, and this is the link. So the link is right now it shows 11.html, but we want to go that if I click next chapter it will go to 12.html. So click here 12.html, and the previous chapter it should go to 10.html. 10.html is already there, and table of contents is index.html link. Share this app, we'll fix it later on. And 12.html, previous chapter, that is 11.html, and we can write it as demo chapter. This is our demo, and we need to fix it in our index file as well. Go to index, copy the last line, copy, press enter and paste. Now we write 12 and our chapter name. Our chapter name is demo chapter, and this link is 12.html. That's done. What would you do if we want to change the color of the buttons? Right now it's red. There's a red gradient. But if you want to make it blue, green, or gray, or any other color, go to the templates, and you'll find one folder called images. Click, and you'll find gradient. Right click and open with any photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop. You can use anything, and you'll find gradient.jpg. I'm magnifying it. Now I want to make a gradient of blue. So select the gradient tool, and in the foreground and background I'm using just a light blue and a dark blue. And just make a gradient. Save it. Look, our buttons is changing. The index, drag and drop, and right now we have our blue buttons. Open Google AdSense, click on My Ads and click New Ad Unit. Write any name and ad size, select 300 times 250. I've already created one named Acne. Click Get Code and you'll get a code of AdSense. Remember, never ever change the code. If you change the code, there's a chance Google will ban you. Go to 1.html, paste, and in one single HTML page you can insert up to 3 times the AdSense code. So I have pasted the AdSense code total 3 times and save it. Go to page 2, and after the script it's better to give again 2 breaks. If you press shift and enter, the break will come. It's in Dreamweaver, the shortcut in Dreamweaver. It's not applicable to other HTML editors. So in the same way you can just do it in all your 12 HTML pages. Our HTML ebook is ready. This is Advanced Acne Elimination. So this is all our chapters. So click Introduction. So we have the text and these are AdSense ads. Because the AdSense is very new, I just created 5 to 10 minutes back. So all the ads will not appear right now, but it will come up within next 20-30 minutes. All the related apps. Next chapter. Okay, now it's coming, cold and flu. Look, all the ads, there are 3 ads, 3 group of ads in all the pages. So our website, that is HTML ebook, this is ready. Now we need to upload it in our web server. That's why for uploading it in web server we are using FileZilla. This is FileZilla, and I have just made one site called Games Without Programming /acne, and the template folder, everything, right click, upload. If you don't know about FileZilla, just search in Google FileZilla. This is very easy FTP program. Now it's all done. Our website, that is HTML ebook, is ready. Now we need to go for the Android app. To create the Android app, we are using MIT App Inventor which is 100% free, and it will always be free. Go to appinventor.mit.edu, or in Google search MIT App Inventor. You'll find this page and click here, create mobile apps. To make a mobile app, you need a Gmail address. So if you don't have a Gmail address yet, just open a Gmail address. And you'll get a page like this. Click new. And I'll write acne. So our page is here. Screen. The title screen 1. Maybe I can write acne elimination. So our screen title is changed, acne elimination. Go to other stuff and click activity starter. Drag and drop activity starter on screen, and activity starter will automatically go inside here. Select activity starter, and in the action paste this line, android.intent.action.view. You'll find the code just under the video. And this is the website of our ebook. So copy and data URI, click and paste. Press enter. Save. Just double checking in browser. Okay, so our website is working. So you have entered the action over there, android.intent.action.view, and the data URI as our website URL. Now click open the blocks editor. Click keep. Click again. Just one more thing, you need to install Java to run this program. Java is free. So in Google search Java and install Java. Otherwise the block editor will not run. Okay, so this is our block editor. Click my blocks and screen 1 dot initialize. Click and drag on the screen. Activity starter. Click activity starter 1 dot start activity. Drag and drop inside this screen 1. Go to activity starter 1 again and select this one. Set activity starter 1 dot data URI 2. Drag and drop inside this screen initialize. Select again, and now activity starter 1 dot data URI. Click and drag in this part. So what happens when the screen 1 dot initialize, that means when you just open the program, activity starter 1 dot start activity, the activity will start and it will open the page of the data URI, that is this website. Save. It's done. Again go to screen 1 and you'll find one thing called icon. So this is the icon which shows in your app, in your mobile phone. So we need to make one icon. For this one, go to Google search and type acne. Go to images. We'll try to find some pictures about acne. Click advanced search and usage right, free to use to share even commercially. Advanced search. Alright, there's nothing that good. Okay, maybe we can use this picture. So right, open, and in Photoshop or any other photo editing program, open that image. Make it square. So you make it square, and just remember you need to make in two sizes. One is 512. You need it later to upload it in the Android market. So at first we go to image size. We make 512 into 512. Maybe save as acne 512. And I go to image size again. Now reduce it to 100 by 100 pixel and save it as acne icon. So this will be the icon used for our app. Now select screen 1 icon, click and click add, choose file, and choose acne icon. Okay. Save it. And click package for phone, download to this computer. Okay, this file is done. Acne.apk. APK is Android package, that is the native file extension for Android apps. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to test this APK. Copy it, and if you have Android phone, that is it will be very good. If you don't have Android phone, no problem, just it's for testing purpose. So copy this APK, and I have connected my Android phone over there, so it is removable disk, and under download I paste it. Now that this APK file is inside my phone, I'll check it in my phone. I just installed this APK file inside my phone, and it is installed correctly and opening the website. I'll give a QR code just under the video, so you can scan it and install in your phone. We have got our APK file, but truly speaking, this APK file is not ready yet to upload in the Android market or in the Play market. We need to modify this APK. So to modify this APK, we are using a free program called App to Market. I'll give you the link just under the video of App to Market. There's the video tutorial how to use it, and it is very easy. So when you open App to Market, you'll see like this, the window. Certificate details. You will generate a certificate. So just fill up your details and click generate. A certificate will be generated, and then recompile and wrap up. This is the main window. So go to browse and acne.apk, open. X large to maximum is very important. If you give it to maximum, that means the tablet user, they can also install it. And the app name, tap the app name, acne elimination, or whatever your app name is. And then you can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, select at first decompile, and then to update manifest and create new APK. Number 3, sign. Number 4, verify. And 5, zip align. So you need to click all the 5 steps, or all the 5 buttons, or if you just click one click convert, so all the 5 steps will done automatically. Now if we go there, and before it was just acne.apk. Now you'll find two files, acne-new.apk and acne-new.zipalign.apk. This is the file we need, acne-new.zipalign. This is created by App to Market, and this is ready for Android Play Market. Now we are opening Developer Console. You need to pay $25 to Google to create an account, and when you create an account, you'll find Android Developer Console, and there's a window like this. Click upload and choose file, and select acne-new.zipalign apk and click upload. It will take a minute or two to upload the app. And click save. Now we need to just give some information about the app. So screenshot is you have to create an image of around this size. So I'm opening Photoshop. Okay, before that, this is our ebook. We can right click, export PNG, we can save the screenshot and another screenshot. Now go to Photoshop, create an empty screen, and I opened this too. Now copy this image and paste it and reduce the size. If you go to Google Play, look, this screenshot, it is at least 320 times 480. That's why we are creating like this. A file, save as, screen 1, and copy and paste. Basically it should be screen 1. And we can save it the name of screen2 screen2.jpg. Now the upload assets, screenshot, choose file, screen2, and I can upload. So it requires at least 2 files. And high resolution application, you need to provide this. Remember, it is 512 times 512. Remember, we have created one 512 icon and we have written it Acne 512. Click and upload. Now privacy policy, if you want to give privacy policy, you can give the link. Otherwise you don't need to submit the privacy policy. So click not submitting privacy policy, and the title, acne elimination, and the description, just write a small description of. So I have written a small description about this ebook. And application type, application, and this one is related to health. Copy protection off, content rating everyone, pricing free, and all countries. Your email, click, and go to APK, select activate and press publish. Wow, my ebook is published. Look, acne elimination, it is published. There are millions of apps in the Android market. So how you can rank your app? Personally, I am using one WSO by Carson Rathi, and this is the link. You'll find the link just underneath the video. In Carson's WSO, there's a very beautiful software. It's called Mobile Niche Finder. So I use this software. For example, I have used my keyword as acne, and it searches and it finds me some golden niche like acne free in 3 days, acne light, acne photo remover, acne remover for pictures acne away. And you can see that acne is not that competitive in the Android market. So when you write your description or when you make an app about acne, if you include this name in your description or the name of your app, you'll get a much better ranking. Although this is not mandatory, but I highly recommend you to use this WSO. You can use Fiverr to rank your Android apps. So in Fiverr, search for Android ranking. You'll find many gigs. So just order a gig for a good review or download 20 or 10 or 20 times. Okay, for example, I'll mark 10 reviews 10 times as most helpful to any iPhone or Android app. So just order a gig to just download and make a good review. So when you have a good review, your ranking will be automatically higher. This is a killer method to rank any app in the Android market very quickly. I have created a closed Facebook group, so all of you can join this Facebook group and upload your app. So when you have a link to the app, you can request all members to download the app and give a positive review. So when you have an app and suddenly you have couple of hundred good reviews, automatically your app will rank very high. So click the following link and send a request to join our Facebook group.